How to post and delete moments in WeChat. Open WeChat and log into your account. Navigate to chats, and from here you can easily select moments by tapping on the Me button and bottom right corner of your screen. Choose My Post, and here you will get moments that I have posted here. If you want to post a moment, select My Moments at top right corner of your screen. And here you can easily add moments on today's date. You can easily tap on the camera icon, and here you got the two options. You can take a photo or video from camera, or you can even choose from album. So let me choose from album and tap on got it to record your moments. Then you need to select the down button at bottom right, and here you can easily add a caption to your moment. And once you are done with that, you can add the location, add mention, or you can choose the audience. And once done, select post at top right corner of your screen. So in this way, you can easily post moments on your WeChat. In order to delete a moment, you simply need to open moments and find your post. Then tap on it and tap three dots at top right corner of your screen. And here you got the delete button at bottom right. Choose that and confirm the deletion. And with that, your movement has already been deleted in WeChat. So that's it, a quick and easy way to post and delete moments in WeChat. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.